Hi, it's Yan Yan, and today I'll be teaching you about algebraic expressions and equations. I'll be teaching you in particular how to differentiate algebraic expression from algebraic equations. But before we start, let's have a quick and simple exercise. We are going to convert these English phrases and sentences to mathematical ones. We have the sum of 2 and 4. We write here 2. Then the word here sum represents plus, or the operation of addition. Then we write here 4. So we'll have 2 plus 4. This is an example of a numerical expression. Next, we have the sum of 3 and a number. We'll write here 3, then again plus since it says sum. And since we do not know what that number is, we'll represent it with n. Note, however, that we can represent it using any letter like A, B, or Z. But normally we use n. So we have 3 plus n. And this one is an example of an algebraic expression. Next, we have the sum of 5 and the number is 9. We'll write here 5, then again plus since it says sum here. And again, since we do not know what that number is, we'll write here n. And since we have the addition of the word is here, this represents equals. Then we write here 9, making this 5 plus n equals 9, making this an example of an algebraic equation. So what's the difference? Now, we will be moving on to the differences between an algebraic expression and an algebraic equation. So I'll give you an example for it to be easier for you to understand, as well as compare the two side by side. For algebraic expression, the example is 2 plus n. The example for algebraic equation, we have 2 plus n equals 9. How we would read 2 plus n is the sum of 2 and a number, and this is a mathematical phrase. While for 2 plus n equals 9, we read this as the sum of 2 and the number is 9. And this is a mathematical sentence. See the difference? For here, in algebraic expression, it has no equal sign. While for algebraic equation, it has an equal sign, which is represented by the word is. So to add on to algebraic expression, the value of the letter or symbol can change, meaning the value of n can change. We can say that the value of n here is equal to 1. So we replace n with 1. So the algebraic expression would be 2 plus 1. We can also change the value of n to 5. So we replace n again to 5, making the algebraic expression 2 plus 5. And to add on to algebraic equation, the value of the letter or symbol cannot be changed, meaning the value is already fixed. Like from the example earlier, 2 plus n equals 9. Whatever we add to 2, whatever unknown value n added to 2 should be equal to 9. Say for example, we give n the value 7. We replace n with 7, and if we add 2 plus 7, it's equal to 9, making the equation true. But this isn't always the case, because if we say, for example, n has the value of 10, we replace n with 10, so 2 plus 10 is 12, so meaning that is not equal to 9. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something from this and that you now know what's the difference between an algebraic equation and an algebraic expression. Thank you and bye-bye!